Hello and welcome to Big Bertha's house for cooking. Now today, I will be making some very special cooking things that you might enjoy, and I hope you all enjoy. So, first what we gotta get is some garden salad. So, I have some garden salad right next to me, and I will grab it. Here is my garden salad, so I will show you how to make the garden salad. So, first you will need to cut the garden salad, which is you need to be very careful, and we gotta get it perfect. So I just finished cutting, and now I am mixing up the ingredients that you need. And my face is invisible right now, can you see that? And now I'm done, and so we can place the garden salad, and we can throw it away because it's trash! I don't even like it anymore, how dare— What am I supposed to do with this ingredients? I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, I guess it's time for— Oh, hello! Welcome back. Next, we will have to make something very special, and this is going to be very delicious. You will love it. Ta-da! It's chili. So, we will have to first cut the beans, and it shouldn't take that much for the ingredients to get working. And look at that, we're done. As you can see, we have to fry it now. It is going to be very delicious. So first, you have to put the sauce in the pan and wait for it to sizzle. What is this? Billy Lannister, I don't need your stupid invitation. I have to cook. Can't you see that I'm cooking right now? Chili is gonna make you fart, okay? Oh, look at that. I'm already done with that. Okay, so we're done frying, and next it is to boil. Oh, Gordon Bloxy, how I adore you. If only I could cook as good as you. Look at that. Okay, so we got all of our ingredients, and to boil it, you'll need a pot. Just go throw this around for a little bit, and I glitched. Alright, let's just go ahead and taste it. That's good, but it needs to be stirred a little bit more. There we go. Now it should be all good and ready to go for the party. It's going to taste so great. So I'm going to put it right next to all my other failures. Well, thank you for watching. All of this food that I only made, which is only 2, is all finished. And remember, I'm watching you.